Welcome. In the next 16 minutes, we'll practice a gentle full-body flow inspired by traditional Tai Chi movements designed to support weight loss, ease back discomfort, improve mobility, and help you feel more balanced, relaxed, and energized throughout your day. Join me and let's get started. Exercise 1. Rising Sky Sweep. 3, 2, 1, start. Swing both arms forward and rise overhead as one foot steps lightly behind. Keep the lift smooth and your posture tall. Exercise 2. Cross arm open squat. 3, 2, 1, begin. Cross the arms gently, then sink into a soft squat as the arms open wide. Keep your knees relaxed and balance steady. Exercise 3. Single arm rising palm. 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Raise one arm forward and upward with a soft vertical reach. Keep the shoulders relaxed and let the body stay centered. Exercise 4. Open arms sky circle. 3, 2, 1, join me. Open both arms wide and circle them overhead with ease. Keep the shoulders soft and the movement light. Exercise 5, wide horse stance squat. 3, 2, 1, follow along. Place your hands on your hips and sink into a wide squat. Keep your spine tall and your knees relaxed. Exercise 6, rising hands chest lift. 3, 2, 1, move with me. Lift both elbows softly from the hips to shoulder height. Then bring the hands near the face. Keep your chest open and relaxed. Exercise 7, side lunge rising palm. 3, 2, 1, let's do it together. Shift into a side lunge and lift one palm upward with control. Keep your stance grounded and the movement smooth. Exercise 8, knee lift power march. 3, 2, 1, let's move together. Lift one knee as the opposite fist rises near the shoulder. Stay upright, balanced, and move with steady control. Exercise 9, overhead pull down. 3, 2, 1, begin. Reach both arms upward, then draw the elbows down beside the ribs. Keep your chest open and shoulders relaxed. Exercise 10, side bend overhead reach. 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Sweep one arm overhead and lean gently to the side. Keep your waist soft and your balance grounded. Exercise 11, forward fold arm sweep. 3, 2, 1, join me. Sweep both arms down and back as the body folds forward. Keep the standing legs steady and move with gentle control. Exercise 12, horse stance arm opening. 3, 2, 1, follow along. Sink into a wide stance, then open both arms outward as you rise. Keep your chest relaxed and your movement steady. Exercise 13, forward step sky reach. 3, 2, 1, move with me. Step forward with a soft arm swing, then reach both hands overhead. Keep the body long and breathing easy. Exercise 14, cross-arm heel curl. 3, 2, 1, let's do it together. Cross the arms softly, then release them as one heel lifts behind you. Stay upright and keep the movement calm. Great job today. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope this gentle flow helped you feel lighter, more relaxed, and more comfortable in your body. Take a moment to enjoy the calm, and I'll see you in the next session.